Hello out there, YouTube friends. I am Cindy. This is SincerelyCindiSettle. It is a fix day. So let's see what we have up in here with our Stitch Fix this month. So I did choose 4 items, I think, from the preview. So in my box, I will have 5 items, 4 that I chose from the preview that my stylist sent to me. I will have a return mailer to send anything back that I do not wish to keep. I will have an envelope that has my invoice as well as style cards so that I can have some ideas on how to style my items, which is one of the things I love about Stitch Fix, and my invoice. If you keep all 5 items, you do get a 25% off discount. I have never kept all 5 items. Just gonna say. All right, so it looks like I have a new stylist. This is fix number 42 for me. Hey there, Cindy. Happy Fix Day. My name is Rachel, and I will be your stylist today. Can you believe it's already February? Where did January go? Yesterday was gorgeous. Today, not so much. However, spring is approaching, and I am looking forward to it. I am sorry more didn't work out in the previous fix. I enjoyed getting caught up on the previous fix. You mentioned wanting a pair of work pants that you could wear with the tops you selected from your fix preview. I took a look at some of the previous pants you've kept. I landed on the 29.5 inseam of the Market & Spruce Chino pants. They are a classic collar and your profile indicates you like a straight fit. For a layered look, pair the pants with the black threads pair the pants with the black Threads for Thoughts tank and beige Lety and Me cardigan. I hope you enjoy. Stylishly yours, Rachel. We'll see how it goes. I can't seem to find a stylist that I love. I don't know what the issue is. I don't know if it's me. I don't know if it's them. I don't know if it's their inventory. I don't know. But let's get to it. All right, so here we have just a basic navy. These must be the pants that she was referring to. They are just kind of a basic chino kind of pant. So these are nice. They are kind of basic, but I do need pants to wear to work. Then we have this fun cardigan. So it is kind of an olive green and like a beige, and then again it does have some pretty little cutouts there that I do like. These I'm sure are hard to have pockets in, which it does not have pockets. It is going to be a little bit on the shorter side, I think, which will probably be okay, but I'm going to try that on the way she suggested. Then we have the black. Okay, we have a black tank. It's got that razor back look. So I did choose this one. I love that neckline on me. I think it is very flattering. So we'll see how that goes. Then these 2 shirts were just kind of fun. Again, I did choose these for my preview. I love this color. I do like the little ruffle sleeves. I think the polka dots are fun. And then finally, this navy. I have been looking for a navy short sleeve shirt. I do have a pair of pants that I need a navy top to go with. They're like a palazzo pant. They're white and navy. So this might be perfect. It is very, very cute. I love the feminine details. It has that Swiss dot look. And then it's got the eyelet sleeves that are a lot of fun. All right, let's get to trying some stuff on. We're going to make this one quick. All right, so I styled these items as suggested. I don't like it all together. I don't like the navy and the black and then the olive and the cream. It's just, don't like these pieces together. I do like the cardigan. I don't know, maybe I'm just not in the mood for clothing today. Maybe I need to revisit another day. I don't know. So I do like the cardigan. I like the stripes. I think that's a lot of fun. I'm not sure what I would wear it with. I think just a white tee or a graphic tee maybe. The length is good. It comes right underneath the bottom. The length of the sleeves are good. Let me get a little bit closer. So you do have the fun little designs of the cutouts here. So that's kind of different, and I like that. The stripes on the sweater do match on the sleeves. They all line up nice and pretty. Like I said, this is more of an olive color. And the fit is very good. Oh, let's go ahead and do prices. How about we do that? All right, so the sweater, the cardigan, is by Lety and me, and it is $48. So very good price. And then the shirt that I currently have on, the black, again, I really like this neckline. I think it's a very flattering neckline on me. It would require a strapless bra in order for me to wear it without a cardigan or something like that on. But I do like the fit of this, and I like the look. So this one might be a keeper. I feel like under the arms is good. There is a little bit of gaping right here. You guys know how I feel about that if you've been watching me very long. But I'm not sure that it's enough to keep me from purchasing. Let's see how much it is. It is $45. So not too bad. But see, look at that. See, once I get closer, I'm not liking it. When I'm far away, it's fine. But I just feel like the fit is off. It needs to be more fitted. All right, and then we have the pants. The pants are a good fit, and they would be good for work. They do have pockets, which is good. I like that. They are more of a straight fit, very basic. They're just very basic. I mean, I know I told her I needed work pants, but I don't know. These are not what I was thinking. These are not what I'm looking for. But the fit is good. They are very comfortable. Let's see what the price is. The price is $64. So I don't know. I mean, I may keep these to have something in my closet. No, I won't. I won't keep these. I mean, I have a navy pair of pants. I don't wear them a whole lot, but I do wear them. Navy's just not my thing. I don't know what it is about navy. Just not my preferred neutral. But let me know what you guys think. I'm going to keep these pants on, though, and try on the other two tops, just because I'm kind of lazy this evening and don't really want to go upstairs to get any other pants. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, next top. So this is super cute. So I am liking this. I am going to try it on with the palazzo pants that I mentioned, just to see if I like it with those, because that's really the only reason I need a navy top. I mean, I would wear this with white or cream as well. Again, it is very springish, summerish. It is sleeveless, but it has a cute little ruffle there on the sleeve. It is a Swiss dot. I feel like the fit is good. It's not oversized. It's not too long. Under the arms is good. So let's get a little closer. What do you guys think? Super cute, right? Very feminine little touch here at the cap sleeve. I don't know, I kind of like this one. Let me know what you think. All right, let's do the turquoise, and then we'll be done. Oh, this one is $40. So again, great price. Okay, so here we have the turquoise. What do you think? I think it's kind of cute too. I do like it with the navy. I do have just a little bit of a front tuck here. I feel like this would look cute with navy or with jeans or with white or cream. I do like the little feminine detail here in the sleeves. I like the V-neck. I think it's super cute and a lot of fun. Let me know what you guys think about this one. It does have that modesty piece there underneath the arms to make sure that there's coverage. So this one is also $40. Cute little, tiny little dots. Very pretty collar. Let me know what you think. All right, so I think that's going to wrap up this Stitch Fix. I told you guys this one was going to be quick. I don't even need to do a wrap up. So let me know what you guys think. I am leaning towards this one and or the navy, but I want your all's opinion. So please make sure that you comment down below. Let me know which item was your favorite, which one was not your favorite. Please like this video, subscribe, do all of the things, hit the notification bell. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your continued viewing of my videos. It all helps my channel grow. So thank you so much. I will see you guys soon. I am signing out. Bye.